a marvelous construction at the center of a Roman city. Welcome to Maiorum. Here we publish content weekly about the ancient world, travel and history. If you want to know more about the world around us and the past, subscribe to our channel. The revival of a Roman Forum. The Great Flavian Forum of Conimbriga was an impressive sanctuary dedicated to the divinized cult of the emperors. This magnificent forum was built in honor to the emperors. The construction replaced a previous monument built in the Augustan era between 27 BC and 14 AD, which was later expanded during the Claudian era between 41 and 54 AD. Part of the expansion can be seen as remains of the shop in the west area, the foundations of a basilica and the curia at east side, as well as the foundation of the main crypt at north. The main construction of the forum was a temple. Its measures were approximately 10 meters long, or around 34 feet long, and 7.5 meters wide, or around 25 feet wide, with the promenade at around 18 meters or 59 feet. The temple was placed at north and it was surrounded by an open area and by a double portico built on top of a crypto-portico. Portico is a porch leading to the entrance of a building or extended as a long sequence of columns with a roof structure over a walkway, supported by columns or enclosed by walls. The crypto-portico is a semi-subterranean gallery whose vaulting portico structures above ground and is lit from openings at the tops of its arches. Just behind the temple, we can find the remains of some structures of two pre-Roman houses. The remains of this quarter at first were located behind the Augustan Forum. The construction is evidence of a regular urbanism before the Roman occupation. In the years of 1964 to 1971, 12 campaigns of excavations were carried out in Conimbriga. The excavation has been done by the French Archaeological Mission in Portugal and the Monographic Museum of Conimbriga. And during this excavation, the former forum of this ancient Roman city has been discovered. This remarkable forum is part of a large settlement where there is still so much to discover. If you enjoy this content and you wanna know more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay tuned on more updates on Mos Maiorum. We publish videos like this every week. Tibi gratias ago pro vigilabo.